as we know, as we can see in the background, we have a project car. Prior to removing or going through the process of to where point it is now, is a big help with this harness from Garrett Top. I had two separate ones. I have the actual motor harness, and I also have the headlight harness as well. We will start with the motor harness first. This goes straight to ECU. This is incredible work. I will show a difference between the old one and this one. Old, new. And this old one is so chunky and cut up, and man, it's just, I was surviving with this, but now it's time for a more slimmer, nicely cut, nicely everything. Just wow, difference between them. That's a really good difference. There's a major difference. The wiring is amazing, nice and sleek tuck. You got nice work going into your connectors. This is a little bit dirty because it has been in use with me. It wasn't hard to install. Take your time with it because there's certain ways you can plug them in and it can be really sleek. As far as inside of the car, once it's inside, the black touch is key. Because this, I know all harnesses are black, but this black touch is so key. I don't even see any of my wires when using these, and that's why I really love it. Not only that, I had major issues with my old harness. A lot of it was snip and redid in a way, or rewired so I can pass the time being. I ended up getting this on sale, which was amazing. This is for a B18 C1 GSR, but it does have B series motors, I think H, definitely K series and D series as well. Packaged nice, came through with the stickers, I think. Shout out to Carrot Top because I was supposed to wear my hat today. Also, if you use Pit Cartel as a discount code when purchasing, you get 5% off of your purchase. So on top of the deals they already have, and using our code, you can just get some more out of everything. So this is a win-win in my opinion. All right, this one's been my favorite so far. Not only that, because I learned the hard way, radiator fan connector is connected on the motor harness. No, it's connected on the headlight harness, and I didn't know that. And that's why I specifically bought the harness, because my fan was not kicking on. She long, but I'm telling you, this is great, no lie. This is definitely universal as it can be. So it's a really great headlight harness. This tucks extremely well too. As you can see, it's a little bit more skinnier than the motor harness, but not too much of a difference. I went ahead and zip tied the extra, city lights, because like I said, I don't have it. I don't really plan on getting city lights for this car specifically, but we'll see in the future, most likely. Definitely enjoy that it does come with the plugins, just in case I do want to do something in the future. These are really beautifully done harnesses. I really enjoy using mine. I definitely have been recommending to friends. This garage specifically, we're only going to be using Carrot Top for the time being. Just because, thanks to their affordability, and I'm 25. I don't have all the bread in the world. Thanks Carrot Top for even throwing deals on these type of things, because this is very necessary when trying to do builds like this in the background. Use code PITCARTEL to get 5% off your purchases on their website. It can definitely help you out in the checkout process. Not alone with their deals, but definitely the code. Come on, that's a double whammy, double win. That's what we want. Other than that, keep striving, keep building, and keep going, man. Don't stop out here, just keep going. Other than that, we'll see you in another video. Thanks for watching.